It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Thanks for stopping in. Today I am going to share my recipe for a quick garlic sauce. The thing that makes this quick is we're using the garlic and potatoes from a previous recipe where we did a sheet pan full of veggies. To start, we're going to want to get this garlic out. Since it's been roasted in the oven, it's super easy. If you did not make a sheet pan full of veggies, you could just roast your garlic and your potatoes and then start from here. Or whatever kind of veggies you want to use besides potatoes or rice. This oven roasted garlic is also great just to spread on toast. Or you can just throw it in the freezer and have it ready for another time. We have more than one kind of garlic here. You can kind of see the difference. Get the little end off of that one. The first garlic was some from the store, and then this garlic is some that I grew. Thanks Uncle Kevin and Aunt Lisa for the garlic to grow. I've got my garlic cleaned. I'm going to throw everything into a little ninja. So I roasted garlic, some wine. You could use white wine. You could use cooking sherry, soy sauce, water, garlic powder, and chili garlic sauce. Now we're just going to blend this until smooth. I've got our potatoes here. I'm just going to put those in a bowl. And this is probably too much sauce for the amount of potatoes I have, but I like to use this to dip other veggies in also. Just sprinkle some on there. I'm going to give it a toss. While I'm stirring this, we also like to put this on salads and on rice. And it also freezes well. Isn't that looking good? Our potatoes with garlic sauce are all ready to go. It's got a little bit of kick from the chili garlic sauce we add. What a great flavor. I love it in the fall time, and I think it goes great on all kinds of veggies. Please give it a try and comment below if you like it too.